Digitizing is imminent. The fierce competition of TRON Lightcycle Run, presented by Enterprise, is fast approaching.
I have to say, I would not want to be anywhere else than right here with you all right now, celebrating the open of TRON Lightcycle Run. Who's excited? Now, what's even more special is seeing the impact that the opening of TRON Lightcycle Run has had on our Central Florida community. This past weekend, we announced a $100,000 donation to Orange County Public Schools to further STEM programming in the classroom. I think that deserves another round of applause, right?
TRON Lightcycle Run is not just a new attraction, though. This 10-acre expansion of Tomorrowland is a whole new computerized frontier to explore, and another amazing opportunity to discover the thrills Walt Disney World has to offer. I want to be sure to thank all of our cast today, whether you work right here in Tomorrowland or whether you have worked to support the opening of this fantastic attraction. Thank you. You are the key to unlocking this achievement.
Not only does TRON Lightcycle Run introduce our guests to a thrilling high-energy ride aboard a light cycle through a dark computerized world, but it also naturally fits in with the futuristic spirit and optimism of Tomorrowland. As we all know, it is our cast members who are truly the magic behind everything that we do. So with that, I would like to invite some of our cast from TRON Lightcycle Run to join us up here.
Get the amazing opportunity to finally, officially welcome our guest into the grid.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Our attractions cast have brought so much energy over the course of the last year. We've had cast members on this site for nearly a year at this point, getting this attraction ready to open. You know, as we've opened TRON Lightcycle Run, it's been spectacular to open a new attraction. But I also want to highlight our food and beverage and merchandise cast members who've done such a terrific job of really expanding this whole landscape.
It's our cast who make the magic. It's our cast who are the lifeblood of all that we do here at Disney. So be able to share this moment with so many cast members that have poured their heart and soul into bringing this attraction to life. And it's been a journey. For some cast members, it's been a multi-year journey. For some cast members, it's been a multi-month or multi-week journey. But all of us together, we pull together to bring this attraction to life for all of our guests that are going to be coming to the world's most visited theme park. So it's very special.